I adore myself, so I Diored myself. Just literally recorded a whole video and didn't hit record. Talk about pissed right now. But hi Deeters, welcome back to my channel, Darisa's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, luxury to lifestyle. And as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be a luxury unboxing. So if you want to see what I purchased from the fashion house Dior, make sure you go ahead and keep watching. Before we get into the video though, if you have not hit that subscribe button yet, I'm not sure what you're waiting for, but you don't want to miss when I'm uploading these videos. That's why next thing you need to do is hit that notification bell, because that's when you're going to know when I'm uploading these videos. And then of course, make sure you're commenting, sharing, thumbs up and all that good stuff, because again, that's how YouTube is going to go, to keep recommending my content. And I mean, you guys are actually getting a lot better. So I'm not going to say that you guys, are just completely off, but just keep it up. Keep it up. I'm trying to get my numbers up. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and just jump right into the video. So again, I'm sorry, y'all. This is the second time I've recorded this, so I kind of have to stage this little unboxing. But here we go. Let me give you a little backstory. So I've been on the hunt for a good travel eyeshadow palette. So yes, I did get a palette from Dior, but not just any palette. You're going to see in just a second here what makes this palette so special. So basically, I just wanted something where I can kind of have everything all in one place. And I've been doing a lot of research, watching a lot of videos, and Dior seems to do that right. And they do it at a really good price point with a lot of different functionality. You know me. On this channel, we're all about affordable luxury, how to get things for the low, how to get multifunctional items at a good price point. So I couldn't resist. I had to, y'all. Number one, the packaging. The packaging, guys. Dior, honestly, out of all my luxury packages, hands down, the best. The way that this box feels is so sturdy. Oh my goodness. It has this gorgeous texture. It has the Dior here in charcoal gray. It is everything. It's stunning. Couldn't ask for better packaging. And I love white. I'm a sucker for the color white. So they got me. They got me at hello, y'all. And then again, this is a little fudged unboxing. And I really honestly didn't do a true unboxing the last time I recorded this, but I do have a side-by-side of when I actually initially got the item. I was so thirsty, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. I really just wanted to see what was in here. I really just wanted to see. And I have, again, y'all know I got my infant, my baby in the background. So we're going to try to get through this video the best we can. She's coming for me, y'all. She's coming towards me now. So it has this Christian Dior. It is wrapped here in this. It has this gorgeous sticker right here. And then it has some samples. Now these samples, they actually come in this really pretty packaging. It has the Dior what is this, like a dust bag, a very pretty miniature dust bag, y'all. All of this, and when I tell you how much I paid for this item and the fact that I have all of this, you guys are really going to be like, wow. And then so as far as the sample goes, it's just a perfume. It was the Dior perfume sample. So nothing too crazy, nothing too special there. Okay, well, I guess my infant wants to come for the nightstand, y'all. She may be making a cameo in this video because she is 9 months old and she is just moving out. But anywho, here is the item that I purchased. So as you can see, it's an eyeshadow palette. I'm going to go ahead and just pull it out now. And it's not just any eyeshadow palette, y'all. Look at this. Look at this palette. Once you see it, you're going to really understand what makes it so special. So it comes, as you can see, with this gorgeous, another treat. But this is it, guys. Isn't it gorgeous? So it's like kind of like I don't know, it's probably a faux leather. I'm not going to say it's leather, but it has the feel of like a faux leather. It has this Dior embossed right here. It has all of this extra like print decoration, whatever you want to call it. It has this mirror. Look how big this mirror is. And I know people are really like obsessed with those Chanel mirrors. This Chanel ain't got nothing on this mirror right here. But then most importantly, it has all of this. It has the blush, the highlighter. You can do your whole eye, and it also has the lip. So I don't have to be worried about having, I mean, in case unless I'm trying to do something extra crazy on my eye, which I really rarely am ever trying to do that. Y'all, all in one place with this gorgeous packaging. Couldn't ask for more. So as far as the price goes, $89. So I know that sounds like a lot to some people, but there's more. There's more, of course. You know, I'm not just going to buy an $89 eyeshadow palette without there being more. So with this part here, it actually comes out. So you know what that means? If you take all of this out, I'm not about to take it out, but if you take all of that out, then you get, like, I mean, some people say a clutch. This won't work for me personally as a clutch. It's just a little too small. I can't really see myself carrying something this little. But, you know, with the new wave of the mini bag trend being out and all of that, this works, guys. So, yeah, so this could be like a card case, a wallet, if you have like a PVC bag or something like that, and then just have this kind of poking out, guys. Like I said, I was very, very impressed. So, again, if you want to get something from Dior, I just want to share that with you guys. I haven't used it yet, so I really don't have any specs, or I'm not going to sit up here and, you know, play with the colors and all that, because I'm, like I said, this is more so just an unboxing. In another video, I may go into more depth with it. At this point, you know, I really don't have time, but I really want to kind of just show you. Now, this is from the Dior Holiday Couture collection. It's called the Sparkling Couture Palette. Of course, I'm going to link it below, so, you know, you don't have to spend too much time paying attention, you know, to exactly what it's called or writing it down. It's always in the description bar. But yes, guys, oh my goodness, I was so, so impressed with this for the price point, the fact that it can be used in another way, and it just looks luxurious. And it was under $100. And it was from Dior, and you get the full-on like Dior unboxing, full-on dust bag, packaging, all of that. So again, you don't have to break the bank in order to have nice things, in order to just get the experience of getting things from these luxury fashion houses. Here on my channel, I have no shame in my game. That is what it is all about. I'm not rich. I do, you know, appreciate a good unboxing. I do appreciate nice packaging, and I, you know, just appreciate having good quality things. So, you know, a lot of times, you know, the items that I get, they're small, but I just love to share that kind of stuff with people, because again, people have this stigma that if you have certain items or this, or that you're living above your means and all that, you don't have to live above your means to have nice items. Of course, there are lower price point eyeshadow palettes, but again, you do get a lot with this for that price point. So in my opinion, it's definitely worth it. If you were in the market, or if you want to just treat yourself to something really nice that you can use in multiple ways, I suggest you get this item. I really do. So again, you know, hopefully this video was helpful to you guys. You know, again, that's what I mainly come here to do. And then it also has this gorgeous receipt. I kind of want to touch on that too. Like, I know a lot of fashion houses, their receipts come in envelopes. I've never really honestly seen one this big in gray. I love the gray. This gray is just giving me life. And then of course it has a card in here that says, with compliments of Dior. And you know what the old saying is, if you adore her, Dior her. I adore myself, so I Diored myself, okay? So again, you know, you want to just treat yourself to something really nice, don't want to break the bank, and again, you can use that as like a clutch or something like that too. So, you know, if you're a person that likes like really small clutches, there you go. All right, guys, so that brings us to the end of the video. I didn't want to ramble too long, but I definitely want to kind of just come in, touch base, show you what I got, show you how you can also get it too, because this is not like something that's really hard to get. I think it's still available, and I don't see a lot of people talk about these. The only channel that I honestly really do see is A Heated Mess. She kind of is the one who kind of introduced me to being able to do this with Dior. But other than that, yeah, you can really, you know, get you some really nice items and not break the bank and still get the full luxury experience. So let me know in the comments if this video was helpful. If you tried any of these Dior holiday palettes. There's also the lipstick palette that, you know, I didn't personally get because I didn't think I had needed to spend $200 for like just a zip around lipstick palette. I'm not a big lipstick person as it is, but that's another option that that's available. And I'll link you know, her channel too, because she makes really good videos and she's very informative, kind of doing the same thing that I do, just showing you how you can get the luxury experience at any price point. You don't have to break the bank to get a lot of this stuff. Trust me. So other than that, that brings us to the end of the video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.